What's going on YouTube? Ty back again from the xking.com. Hit you with another video. Today's video I'm answering a question today to the best of my knowledge. Somebody asks, how can I make another income without exchanging my time for it? Now, that would be wonderful if we can all just start a side hustle, a second and third income while putting no time into it. But that, to be honest with you, does not exist. I mean, if you the only way I see it existing, if you making some side money without putting no time into it, is you buying stocks. If you're buying stocks, you get a dividend every month. Yeah, you're not investing no time into it. You probably invest a little bit of time doing research and checking the stocks, make sure it goes up, it stays up. And if it tanks, you want to sell. I mean, if it goes up and up and up, you may want to sell it. But if it tanks, you want to take that out. But um, yeah, there is no way to make it that a side income without exchanging your time for it. But what I can offer, or what I can say is, there are some ways to make money online that takes a little to no time. Well, I said no time, takes a little time. See, there's I'll say a bit of online business that you can make a side income from. If you have no time like that, you could build your little blog, build your website, and write content every week. Blogging is not hard. I mean, it takes me an hour, hour and a half to write a blog post, and I'll put on my blog. Um, and doing a YouTube video, you do a YouTube too. YouTube, this video will be probably 5, 6, maybe 10 minutes, and I'm done. And I post it on YouTube, and then I move on. So start your online business, and you could put less time. Online business don't take a long time at all. And if you're buying traffic, you buy traffic today, and you get traffic in the next 15 minutes. So blogging don't take a long time. It might take me hour and a half, maybe 2 hours if I sit down, write the blog post, um, 10 minutes for the video. So I might spend, don't take long, but if I choose to do it, if I had to give it a weekly hour, I probably work my blog and online stuff maybe 2 to 3 hours a week. I mean, a day. I do at nighttime, not every day. So I'm thinking about 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, probably 12 to 14 hours per week on my sites. This week I haven't done anything because I timestamp all of my blog posts. So I had to write blog posts. I already timestamped to go live in the future. So if I decide to go to sleep one night and don't feel like doing no blog posts, I have plenty of blog posts to last me for the next 3 months. I'm still writing content for the future because you never know what the future holds. So I'm writing content for the future, and YouTube, it's the same way. If you're a YouTube partner, you could timestamp your YouTube videos to go live in the future as well. So you take advantage of these opportunities. Now, building a blog YouTube channel takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, okay? But if you give it a year or two, it could make you some real money. So keep that in mind. There is no way to make a side income without taking no time for it. I'm gonna keep you working a job. You build an online business. I think online business, blogging is very easy because once the blog is set up, once you have your theme and your header and your sidebar and your footer all set up how it look and feel, all you do is write content. It's very easy. And if you pick a topic that you really know a lot about, writing is easy. Now I have other sites too that I have one particular site I want to say what it is. I know nothing about. So it'll take me longer to write that content. But as far as the money making online content, I can write it fast. I can answer questions pretty fast because I know a lot about it. So I can write a blog post in no time and be done with it. So think about that as well. Be sure to start your a site, start your YouTube channel, start your blog. Now have you noticed that a lot of people who have a cutting grass service, or they do home repairs or do it yourself, or people who power wash houses or fix cars, they have YouTube channels. You haven't noticed that they run a full business on the side. They run a full business of fixing cars, cutting grass, lawn care, power washing houses. I just see one guy who fixed a whole house by himself, who do house repairs, fix roofs, who I seen people who are exterminators, who will go knock down a bee's nest, a hornet's nest. These people are having YouTube channels, and they're making money from the YouTube channel, and they're not doing anything special. They're taking their job, what they do anyway, and putting it on camera. They're probably targeting the camera, probably a little bit of editing, but they're having a side business online, and they're making a side business. So they're not doing nothing special. Now, I'm pretty sure that takes time to get the camera, talking the camera, upload the video to YouTube, edit the video before you do that. Edit the video, make it look nice, give it a title, do some keywords, put a description on it. That takes time, but it don't take a lot of time. The more you do it, the faster you become. So you gotta realize, if you have an outside job, you cut grass for a living, you have a landscaping business, you fix cars for a living, if you do a lot of things outside the house, you have a power washing business, start you a YouTube channel just on power washing. Because a lot of people who go on YouTube who want to start a power washing business. Like, I want to start one. I still want to do one. Do want to know the white power washer, the PSI, the nozzles, what chemicals you use, how you do vinyl siding, how you do wood fences. Do you do the whole house? How much do people charge? How does it take to do one? So these people do YouTube channels on their business, so you can do the same, and they're not extending a lot of time. I mean, how much time? I mean, their time is probably editing the video, probably 30, 40 minutes. So there's something, you're going to do something that requires some time. I'm saying to you, whatever you're good at now, put them on display, go on YouTube, write blog posts about it, do whatever you have to do, because there's ways to make a side income just by writing content, just by doing a YouTube video. I'm doing this video right now at home. Perfect example. I'm making this video while I'm at home, so you could do the same thing yourself. So that's how you make a side income. I named you two. Start a blog, because it sounded to me you don't have a whole lot of time to start a side income, and you want something that's really quick and easy, and you can see results. You gotta put a lot of time in it. Start your blog, start your YouTube channel, build your social media as well. And I say get on Instagram as well. If you start taking photos on Instagram and posting on Instagram and build you a following, you can start selling products to your followers and stuff like that. So start building some social media accounts. Start building your Facebook, build up your Instagram, which is powerful. Build that stuff up. Build your LinkedIn. Again, if you're working for 2 jobs, you can do it in between jobs, take photos, write content, and stuff like that. So blogging, YouTube, Instagram are probably my top 3 right now. Paid traffic is one. And one more tip, that I started a gaming YouTube channel, and I'm only spending 30 to 45, maybe an hour to edit a video, but I don't know how to edit videos. I'm still learning the editing process. So those videos, I'm still learning how to edit. But once I have the hang of editing videos, I'll be a lot faster. But I started a gaming channel. I play the Xbox on the weekends, and I'm like, I don't play the Xbox on the weekends, but I'll make some money from it as well. So I put my content and I put it on YouTube. Another business. And there you go. You can start making money from there. And I'm not really exchanging a lot of my time, because I'll play the Xbox anyway. Why not try to make a little income from it? So that's the end of my video. That's how you can make some money on this. How can I make money from another income while taking time for it? There's no such thing. I named you 3 things you can start on the side right now, and with not spending a lot of time. I'm talking about less than an hour. I mean, seriously, you write a blog post under an hour, 30, maybe 2 hours, and you could do 2 posts a week. So you got 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours free. You could write 3 or 4 blog posts, and let's say you do a post a week. If you punch out 4 blog posts, you can post out for the next month and done for the month. If you want to do the same with YouTube, do a video with YouTube. You do 1 video a week. Shoot 4 videos, write 4 blog posts. You do it all in one day, and you're good for the month. And I say, real quick, I will do that Monday or Tuesday. On the weekend, I'll do 4 more articles and 4 more videos, and time to go out for the next month. So you can for 2 whole months. That's the answer to my question. My name is Tyler with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.